Kalvi Group of Schools proudly presents Kalvi Talks Season 5.
Feminism is a movement that has shaped our history and continues to shape our world today. Hello everyone, I am Akshita of grade 11E standing in front of you talking about the topic that has fascinated me for a pretty much long time. Feminism. It is a belief that all genders deserve equal respect, opportunities and rights. The misconception this society holds about feminism, they think it's about women being superior than men, women hating men, women ruling the world. No, it's just about being treated equally and giving equal respects that gender does not matter. Throughout history, women have faced a lot of discrimination in jobs, politics, and even basic human rights. Let's just understand. Feminism benefits everyone when a society treats people equally based on talent and effort, and that gender does not matter. We all become more strong and creative. So, while I talk on this topic, there's a lingering question that keeps going on your mind. Why does feminism matter to us students? Because feminism starts with an equality that we show among us. It starts by doing simple actions such as respecting everyone's ambition, whether someone wants to become a teacher, a leader, an athlete, an engineer, it doesn't matter. It means challenging unfair jokes, stereotypes, and expectations of this society. So, let's make this clear for once and for all. Feminism is not a fight against men. It is a fight against inequality. If equality seems wrong to you, if it makes you uncomfortable, then the problem isn't equality. It is a basic core concept. In India, when Savitribai Phule opened the first school for girls, she was insulted and attacked. Why? Because the society was scared of educated women. Till date, leaders such as Malala Yousafzai are being threatened for simply wanting an education. At this point, let's just start questioning ourselves. Why is a strong man called confident and a strong woman called arrogant? Why is ambition attractive in boys but too much in girls? Feminism helps us question these double standards. It demands equal pay for equal work, respect without condition, and safety without restriction. A society that empowers women does not lose its value, it strengthens its future. When a girl is told to stay within her limits, feminism helps her question who put those limits in the first place, because feminism tells us that women are not better than men, but women are way no less compared to men. So today, let's not fear or judge the word feminism. Let's fear the world where equality is still debated, because equality is not a favor, it is a fundamental right. In conclusion, feminism has given wings to dreams that one society tried to cage off. So, women out there, listen me out. You don't always have to be a pigeon or parrot or a peahen. Sometimes you become the phoenix that rises out of the ash. Thank you.
ಸರ್ವದೇಶ ಕಲ್ವಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯர்களுக்கு
Kalvi International Public School, Nagari, Madurai.